Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a heartfelt gift idea perfect for any occasion. You want to celebrate Mom, the recipe for a special Mom bamboo cutting board set. Are you searching for a gift that's both practical and meaningful? Look no further. This beautifully crafted bamboo kitchen set includes not just a cutting board, but a complete ensemble featuring a soup ladle, spatula, and colander. All engraved with touching messages that show your appreciation for Mom's love and care. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, these utensils are not only eco-friendly but also durable and lightweight. The heart-shaped handles add a charming touch, making every cooking experience special. The cutting board is more than just a kitchen tool, it's a decorative piece with sentimental value. The front is laser engraved with phrases like "Always my mom, forever my friend and best mom ever," while the back is designed for practical use. Remember, to maintain the design's integrity, use the plain side for chopping. Whether she's preparing a charcuterie board, slicing fruits, or serving cheese and crackers, this set enhances every culinary moment with style and sentiment. So, if you're looking to surprise Mom with a gift that she'll cherish for years to come, this cutting board set is the perfect choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and gift ideas. Until next time, happy gifting!